Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Tommy is trying to open the sliding door, yung screen sa labas. Kasi hindi siya ma-open. And yun, punta tayo ngayon guys. Mamaya na kaming alis. Alis namin dito is mga 1 o'clock. Dapat 1 o'clock kami talaga alis para naman hindi matagal namin iwan yung aso. Kasi yun yung problema ko kasi yung aso kapag maiwan, alam nyo na, yun na open na niya. Ang ilong ko din, grabe. Hindi ko maano. Yung ilong ko every morning na lang siya ganito. Sa ito sa init, maginaw, init, ginaw, palabas, pasok, labas, pasok, yan. Kung kay Tami kung anong gusto niya breakfast. So, today is the week. Tomorrow is the funeral. Funeral. Dalhin namin sa cemetery si Biyenan. Bibe, what do you want for breakfast? Huh?
Coffee just right now.
You want the fruits? You sure you don't want an egg, bread? I'm sure we have a lot. We have a lot of food. So when you get hungry, right?
Yes.
Do you have the shaver here? Cleaner? That's fine. I love you.
I don't know why I'm about cleaning ashtray.
He's cleaning his heart. His heart is dirty. Ashtray. Which one you talking about?
Little red sparks.
That one right there?
The little. Yeah, like when it was a little bit windy and you put the cigarette and lit sparks would go everywhere.
Oh, geez. 2 o'clock also guys, nanonood ako ng YouTube, mga 2 o'clock. Kasi nagising ako kasi Tami woke up early. So, I was watching a Laika Soberano, Laika Sirad, something. Laika Sobera, something. Oh my God, ha? Oh my God. Nag-change yung guys. Ang hala. Roxy, ay naku ba? That's why I don't like when you guys outside. It's like the floor is so like...
Well, you find little wet paw prints this morning too.
Huh?
You find little wet paw prints this morning too.
Where?
In the little one.
You let him out?
No, I didn't let him out. I was cleaning the water. He wanted to stick his claws in the water. He's splashing it all over the place.
He's sticking his paw in the
water, like
in the water.
And he soaked the water.
He's playing. He like doing that. Oh. Ah.
Hi guys.
Tapos na akong kumain ng bread. And he just have his coffee. Do you want something to eat before I go up?
No. I'm gonna figure it out really out myself.
So Tami, si Tami busy sa kasi yung how do you call that, Han? Beeper?
Carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide detector. It's BBB. Hala. But you're gonna buy the same thing, right?
Right.
For now, that's what you're going to put?
I'm not gonna leave with nothing. So this hole will be covered by the other ones, as you see.
Okay. Here guys, ligo lang ako. Binublow dry ko yung buhok ko. I-iron ko to. Oh my God, ang ginaw. Ginaw. Cheers. Lang ako guys. Mag-ready. Kasi 11, almost 12 o'clock na. Alis kami dito mga 1 or 1:30 or 2 o'clock. Yun. Ay, buti na lang nakapag-upload ako ng isang video para bukas. Yes. Hello guys. Ngayon guys, nagkaano sila kasi ang laki na ng tiyan ko. Ang dami ko kasing kinain. Dami kong kinain anyway. So, silang magkapatid, si Tami, lalot na si Tami. Nag-alala sila kasi ngayon yung bayad, diba? Ang mahal pala dito, guys. Ang mahal ng funeral dito. Grabe. Basta mahal, grabe. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganun kamahal pala yung funeral. Akala ko nasa mga 8, 9, 10, ganun. Ang mahal. Or depende na talaga yun, iwan ko. Basta ang mahal siya. And then, ngayon, hindi na sila makapag ng pera ni Biyenan. Meron namang pera yun. Pero hindi ako makapaniwala na ganun dito. Na ganun. Basta ganun. Lalo't kapag wala kang lupa na para sa'yo, mas lalo pang mamahal. Ito naman, sa case naman ni Biyenan, yung parents ng asawa niya, may lupa na para sa kanila, sa family, sa spouses, ganun. So, na meron na si Biyenan. So, meron siyang lugar doon. Pero, meron na kasi siyang lugar. So, ngayon naman, yung mga expenses, yung sa funeral home, ang laki pala talaga. Plus, kung wala kang lupa, mas mamahal pa, ganun. So, ngayon, nag-alala sila kasi, paano na to? May ano pa man dito, diba? May mga, kaya pala may mga life insurance tong mga tao dito. At hindi naman agad yun makuha agad yung life insurance. Hindi talaga agad makuha. So, kaya maghanap ka ng pera para pangbayad. Ngayon, nawala na si Biyenan. May access si Tami doon. Inano siya ni Biyenan na may karapatan si Tami doon, maka-access si Tami. So, ngayon, nawala na si Biyenan. Hindi na nila makausap si Biyenan. So, yung access ni Tami, para nawala ng visa yung pang-access niya sa ni Biyenan. Pero, so ngayon, nag-alala sila kasi ngayon yung bayad. Ngayon, magre-ready lang ako. Naghanap ako kung anong lipstick yung gagamitin ko. Anyway, alis kami and car keys. Ilagay ko tong buhok ko dito para hindi magka make-up itong yun. Okay na yan. Nagdala ako ng maraming, alam nyo na, ang dami kong dalang tampons. Dinala ko itong bag kasi doon ko nilagay yung mga gamit ko. Hindi na natin alam pa. Ito, ilagay ko to dito. Mga gamit din ni Tami. Andun pa sila sa labas. I have to shut this off. At hindi ko mapatay yung TV. Patayin nga kita. Ay, nako, kaloka. Yung asawa ko, guys. Tingnan nyo kayo. Okay, get down.
The wires in the block?
Yes. That's it? You don't need any paper, hon?
She's eating like a ham.
I know
She
because
likes dry food.
he liked that dry food. Hey, you don't need any paper here?
I don't think so.
Like this one?
Well, that one I'll take, yeah.
I'm gonna put this here. You don't need this? The
Right, Dan.
printer thing?
Take it. Oh, that's a ham.
Andito kami sa bahay ni Biyenan and nag-ano lang siya, yung nag-alala. Sabi pa niya, hindi sana ito mangyayari lahat. Itong headache nito, namatay yung ina nila. Oh my God, it is a long story. Hindi man sana doon si Biyenan sa hospital. Hindi sana siya, okay talaga si Biyenan. Hindi, wala sana siya sa hospital. Wala sana siya sa hospital. Kung, yun. Kung, may kung pa yan. Huwag na nating lakihin kasi. Iwan ko guys, yung pakiramdam na hindi ko pa rin tanggap. Hindi ko pa rin tanggap. Nakita ko siya kahapon. Parang statue yung nakita ko na ginanon ko pa siya, sinishake ko, parang statue, parang hindi talaga totoo, parang namatayan ako guys, yung grandma, dalawa, kaya masakit, pero iba pala yung feeling na yung tao, kahit hindi mo kadugo, and then palagi mo siya kasama, iba rin pala yung pakiramdam, iba rin talaga yung naramdaman mo. Parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Alam ko si Tami hindi pa yan nagsinkin. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. makita mo siya, parang hindi siya, parang siya yun pero parang statue, ganun ba? Yan si Tami, nagwala tuloy. Parang may mga sisihan na nangyayari. Anyway guys, may masakit pala. Masakit pala. Anyway, ang dami, ang daming ibon. Yung squirrel na naman doon, nakakain na naman. Dito kami sa bahay ni Biyenan, ang daming ibon sa halaman. Sa yung buhay. For some reason, ginawa sila ng Panginoon. May mga ano sila, may mga rason kung bakit andito sila sa mundo din. Yung mga ganon. Yung mga ibon doon, ang dami, ya. Kumakain. Ang ganda pa naman yung ano niya, yung buntot. Kumakain talaga siya. Gagamitin talaga niya dalawang ano niya, kamay. Lak. Ginagamit talaga niya. Siya na lang kumakain lahat, hindi na yung ibon. Ganon sila guys, parang tao. Mag-aaway yan sila, di ba? Mag-aaway yan sila. Kaloka. Hi guys, it's I think time check. It is 8:30 na ng gabi. Yeah, uwi na kami. Hindi pwedeng mag-vlog guys. Very uncomfortable kung mag-vlog pa ako dun. Ang daming tao na hindi ko rin nakilala. And where's my cell phone? My phone. We're going to mom's house first. Pauwi na rin yung mga ano. Maraming tao. There's a lot of people that coming that I don't expect.
Yeah, we both.
Maraming taong dumating guys. Tommy's cousins are coming from Maryland. And they just, you know, they're here. It's like, Lord, it's very close.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
I can see.
You're good.
Yeah, I know. That's for a little more room. Ash, get home safe.
See you later, Tommy. See you tomorrow.
You got it.
So, yeah, it's like I was surprised. And are they coming? Who's coming tomorrow back? You want me to charge it?
Yeah.
I'll charge it when we get to the... I'm gonna drive anyway going home. Oh, kaloka guys. Sakit na ulo ko. We don't even eat dinner.
I could drive going home so you could do your vlog.
No. I can drive. Kanina ang daming tao, which is very overwhelming, which is I'm happy that there's people come and show up a lot. A lot of people to see bye to mom.
I was shocked. I looked in the hallway and see Vivian's face.
Yeah.
I was shocked.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I wouldn't have recognized Tom. Tom would be in the hallway and I wouldn't have realized.
No, I realized it's Vivian and Tom. I know Tom's face.
I know, but I wouldn't have picked up on that. I was surprised to see Maria's brother.
There's people over there. And there's people over there that you talk that I don't even know. Is this?
Well, you never come around. You know, I can't like drag people over. But yeah, I didn't know half the people. Isabel's telling me, oh, you know who this is? You know who this is?
There is a guy over there came and pay respect to mom.
Yeah, the young guy with the leather, well, he was a young guy, but he was a leather jacket.
But it's a pay respect to mom, and then I said, Isabel, do you know him? And then suddenly it's Angelo's brother know him.
Oh, Steve. Oh, Angelo's brother knew him. No.
He stayed for a while, but we don't know him.
Or I haven't seen them in so long. Like
who are those people?
Like you see that woman, the girl came in with her mother.
Okay, who is it? They said Tom. Why is that?
Is it Tom?
Yeah. Who is it? Who is? Oh,
that now. They walked in and they went to the bathroom,
okay.
And I told Isabel, look, you need to wait for these people to tell me who they are, because I recognize the voice. Yeah. I know the voice, but I can't tell you who it is.
And who are they?
The voice. I know the voice.
Yeah.
She was somebody I went to school with, and her mother, who we knew forever, because she lived around the corner from us.
Really?
She said, even just until a few years ago, she used to like, you know, walk around the neighborhood every morning.
Really?
Yeah.
And you guys, they remember you?
Yeah, of course.
And you remember them once they said something?
Yeah. Like I said, I recognize her voice, but she's so different. When I went to school with her, she was a little skinny, tiny little thing.
Mm-hmm. who is
And then
this?
she didn't show up with her husband. If she showed up with her husband, I probably would have knew from him because...
So who is this 3 old lady that Yvonne talking to?
The old lady Yvonne was talking to?
Yeah, there's 3 lady. Is that the one?
That was the mother.
And there's... Okay.
Apparently she worked at college in Rochelle, and Yvonne went and took a class there.
Oh, really? So mom knows people. How did they hear about this? It's in the paper?
Right. This girl's sister, because Andrew was friends with her sister.
Yeah, is your light on?
Yes, but she lives in South Carolina, so she didn't know that.
And who is that Isabel talking to? That young lady?
Somebody she works with.
Okay, I thought it's your ex-girlfriend. Okay, don't stay long over there. You look quick, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Back to the driving seat. Yan guys. Mamimiss ko tong bahay ni Biyenan. Malaking bahay ni Biyenan. Namiss ko to. Hindi na ako papasok guys kasi kasi kailangan naming umuwi. Yung aso namin, tapos ginoo ko. Iwan ko na lang, hindi ko maano. Gutom na yun guys. Maaga pa kami bukas, sobrang aga pa talaga. And then mamimiss ko to, bahay ni Biyenan. Diyan kami palagi sa window. Yang window na yan. Ano ko kayo guys, kahit yung bahay is hindi malinis, yung kapag malapit na nila itong ibenta, mag-house tour tayo dito para makikita natin yung bahay at saka yung memory. Yung dito talaga ako. Pagdating ko dito sa Florida, pero dito talaga yung isip ko, yung parang wala na, hindi naman yun counted yung sa Florida kasi 2 months lang yun. 2 something months, so almost 3 months yun doon. Dito talaga ako pagdating sa US dito. Kasama sila Tami at Biyenan. Dito kami pumapasok ni Biyenan palagi. Diyan. Side door po ito guys. Yung entrance talaga is andon. Doon yung entrance. And side door, window, back. Yan. 3-story house. But anyway guys, kita-kits na lang tayo sa bahay. Maaga pa kami bukas. Sobrang aga ko pa namin bukas kasi bukas yung living. And then may mass pa kaming aatinan bukas. Din punta na kami sa cemetery. Sa Bronx yung cemetery. So sana makapag-video tayo doon, mag-video. Iwan ko talaga kung kakayanin kong mag-video. We have a nervous breakdown driving here. God, nakatakot. Iyak na ako sa sasakyan nag-drive. At saka traffic pa naman. Hindi ko mapigilang umiyak. Ang sakit ng ulo, ang sakit sa dibdib isipin. Roxy, if I call you in the camera, you should come. We're worried. And Misty can't stop crying. My God, hindi talaga humihinto ng umiiyak. Kasi si Misty Pools. You're crying, baby. Why? And we're kind of curious why they're crying, why she's crying. And then we call them in the camera. What's happening? We don't see Roxy. And I was driving. I'm so worried. Tammy's so worried. We're just watching the camera and they don't show up. Like, oh my God, what's wrong? Han, can you tell story? Takot na takot ako nito. Ha? No?
What?
Oh God. Pero sobrang takot. Han, tell the story while you're doing something.
Well, we decided to look in on the kids on the camera. We see Missy barking and barking like crazy out the back door and whining something she never does and not stop. And we don't see any of the other kids around. None of the cats, Roxy, the cats, none of them anywhere. So we tried calling them on the camera, which we don't like to do because then they...
David's supposed to take it out. And
nothing.
Just Misty crying, right?
And she still ignores us. I don't know where your rice is.
I don't have rice. No, you can have salad. But I told you, I'm not gonna eat too heavy and a lot. So she cried and barked. And I worried, guys, like, oh my God. And I was really pissed because it's traffic.
We can't cut away, so you're getting crazier.
It breaks my heart just thinking there's something happened to my little girl. No, I'm worried about you because I love you very much. You are the one who doesn't show up. You're the one who doesn't see in the camera. And Misty is crying, baby. Michi ka, love ni Mama. Miti. Did you eat your din love? Did you love? Did you? I love you. Anyway guys, I will see you tomorrow guys. I'm going to end this vlog because I have to do something. Eat, make a thumbnail and eat. Oh, thumbnail and then go to bed. Anyway, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Salamat guys sa panonood. Say bye-bye, Han. Good night.
Night guys.
Night guys. Bye.